Hey guys, so in this first video, we will see what is TLS. So, TLS stands for Transport Layer Security. It is a cryptographic protocol that ensures secure communication over a computer network, most commonly the internet. So, nowadays, whatever the communication that we are performing, for example, we are sending an email. For that, we require an internet. We are sending a message on the WhatsApp. For that, we require internet connectivity, right? So, this communication is happening over a computer network, and that means that we need an internet connectivity. So whatever the communication is performing over the internet, we want that communication to be secure. And for that, we use TLS, that is Transport Layer Security. TLS is a successor to the old SSL. SSL stand for Secure Sockets Layer. So earlier we used to use SSL, but nowadays we use TLS. Why? Because TLS is a more stronger lock. For example, if you're going out somewhere and there's a lot of essential things in your house. For example, you have a lot of money that you have put in your house in a locker, right? You wanted it to be secured. So what you will do? You will use a stronger lock to protect that locker, right? So that no thief can break that lock, right? So TLS is that stronger lock. In SSL is basically the weaker lock, okay, with less features. So this is the thing here, right? So if we take an real life example, so let's imagine you and your friend have a secret code, right? So let's say they're two friends, okay, Ram and Lucky. So Ram and Lucky have a secret code between them. Now, whenever Ram sends a message to Lucky, he encrypts his message with the secret code and then sends it to Lucky so that no one can understand it. Then Lucky, what it does is, Lucky does that he decrypts that message, decodes it, and read that message with that same secret code, right? So if you see that the communication between two person here, that is Ram and Lucky, the communication is secure because of that secret code. So no third person is able to understand what communication has been done here, right? What message has been sent between the two of them, right? So now take the bigger picture we'll see, right? So let's understand. Let's say internet is a playground, right? And on playground lot of kids are playing and having fun, right? Now Ram and Lucky wanted to send a message to each of them, and they wanted to be this communication secure so that no other person, because there are a lot of kids, so I don't want that third person can eavesdrop into my communication and listen what we are communicating, right? So what they do is the similar thing they do here also, right? They use a secret code to have those communication. Okay, this is basically, this playground is an internet, as I said, computer network. So this communication is basically secure here, right? Because of that secret code. So no other person basically can eavesdrop in between them and can listen. Although if they listen to that message, they won't be able to decode it, because the secret code, that is anything that is a secret code that they have decided, these two people only know, that is Ram and Lucky only know those secret code, right? So this is what is done by TLS. So what it will TLS will do is, TLS will encrypt that message with that secret code. If any other person hears that message also, he would see some jumble words or some special characters, and he won't be able to read the clear message, right? Until and unless he has a secret code and he has a capability to decrypt it. Also, he will TLS will ensure that the message is being sent to the right person. That is, if the message is sent by Ram, it should be received by Lucky only. For example, if let's say some other person is there, Mukesh, and Mukesh receives that message, so he won't be able to decrypt it because TLS won't allow it. So TLS will first authenticate whether the Ram is the person who has sent the message and Lucky is the person who is receiving the message. If any of them is different person, TLS won't allow the message to be read by any of them, right? So this is the importance of TLS, and this is how it works. So we will see further the functionality of TLS, where it is used, how it is used, and we'll also see the implementation in future videos.